How to lock Facebook profile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Click on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. After you're in the settings, simply scroll down and you'll find all these options, which is audience and visibility. Click on followers and public content. Who can follow me? If there is an option for friends or only me, press on only me. Make sure everything is only me. Who can see your followers and profile, who can see the people, pages, and list you follow, who can comment on your public post notification, public profile info. After you've done that, go back, click on the three lines again, click on your profile, click on the three dots at the top right. Here, you'll find lock profile option. It is not available in my region, so there is no option. You can click on lock profile in here, and you're good to go. This is how to lock Facebook profile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.